If you want to remove SIM card from a POCO X8 Pro Max, first we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone. So in here we should be able to find the SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. We need to use an eject tool that you can find inside the box, and you just want to put it into this hole that we have in here. So let's just do that, and once you put it in, push it into the phone to make it pop out slightly. And then we should be able to use fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Once you do that, of course, we have our SIM card or SIM cards. Now in my case, I have 2 SIM cards inserted, which makes it a little bit tricky to remove the first SIM. In order to do that, most of the time you have to apply a little bit of pressure, and you might want to try to bend it. Of course, you don't really want to bend it, but you want to apply that pressure in order to make one of these cards pop out. Usually you can just hold it from the other side in order to make them pop out. And then once at least one of these SIMs pop out, then you should have easy time with the removal of the second SIM. So if you have the second SIM as well, you can just poke it, for example, with the SIM eject tool from this other side here. Or, of course, if you have just one, then it's just much easier from the beginning. You can just poke it from here to remove the SIM card, and there we go. Once you remove all the stuff from the SIM tray that you wanted to remove, just put the SIM tray back into the phone. Just slide it all the way in. It should go all the way in quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.